Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Sakuna, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the eyes. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming up on both sides. And then we're going to again bring that diagonal line further out towards the side of our page. Now stepping in slightly on that line, we're going to draw on another diagonal line coming through towards the bottom of the page. And then we're just going to, from that corner, curve this line around and then in towards the middle. Now right in the center for the pupil, we're going to draw in a circle. And then moving in towards the middle again, let's draw in another circle right in the center. Now on the top, let's draw in the highlight. So we're just going to add another circle. And we're just going to color in this pupil black. Now coming up for the eyebrows, we're going to draw in a diagonal line, curving that across. And then from that inside point, we're just going to bring this line up and then back down. Let's come through underneath. We're going to bring this line up and over. And then we're just going to draw in two curved lines coming in on both sides. Right in the middle now, for the bridge of the nose, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in, up, down, and across. And now from that point, we're just going to follow that. So bringing that in, up, down, and then over, connecting that together. Let's draw on the nose. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and then in on a diagonal. And then to the right of that, we're just going to draw in that diagonal line coming across. Let's draw in the mouth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line in and through towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, bringing that over and through, blending that line together in the middle. And then underneath, we're just going to draw in a slight curved line right in the center. Let's add in some details now. So coming in towards the top from the middle, stepping over on both sides, we're going to curve this line out. And then from the inside corner, we're going to curve this line up and over on the side. Now from here on the corner, we're going to curve this line through towards the top. And then we're going to curve this line down and then in. Now right in the center, we're going to draw in a small diamond. So we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines coming in at a point in the middle. And then we're going to do the same coming up right on the top. Let's draw in the hairline coming out. So we're going to start in the middle here, drawing in a diagonal line coming through towards the center. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line up and then back in. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and through towards the middle. We'll flip across on the left-hand side, replicating that. Now let's move over. We're going to curve this line out and then in on the side. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's come across underneath. We're going to curve this line out. And then again, moving down on a diagonal, replicating that, curving that across. Now from here, we're going to extend this further out. So we're going to curve this line over. We're going to do the same thing on the right. And now let's frame in the face underneath this. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out on the left and right hand side. And then from here on the side, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming in towards the middle. We're going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here on the bottom, let's draw in another diagonal line coming through towards the middle for the chin, and we're just going to leave a small gap right in the center. And now from here, let's just close this off with a slight curved line. Let's add some details in the face. So right on the corner of our eye, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out on the side. And then we're going to join these together at a point right in the middle. Now coming through from the side again, we're going to curve this line down and then out. From that point, we're just going to curve this line in towards the center. And then we're going to bring that diagonal line down. Again, from here, we're going to bring another diagonal line coming in towards the middle. And then we're just going to bring this line up and then back down. Again, we're going to bring this diagonal line up. And then we're going to bring this line out. Now from the side, let's draw this diagonal line coming across. And then we're going to, from that corner, bring this back up towards the side. From the middle, coming over on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line coming up. And then from that point, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. Let's flatten this out on the top. Let's come over and draw on the ears now. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line up and down. And now from the side, we're just going to curve this back around and in towards the bottom. Let's add in some details in the middle of the ears now. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line up and down. And then moving beside that, we're going to curve that out and then in on a diagonal. Now moving up in the middle, we're going to curve this line over on both sides. Now let's come up finishing framing in the rest of the hair. So we're just going to draw on a small curved line coming up towards the top above both of our ears. And then we're going to curve this line up, connecting that together at that point. Stepping up above that line, we're going to curve this line in towards the top. Now let's step down. We're going to curve this line across and then back in towards the middle. Again, from that point, we're going to curve this line up and through. From that corner again, we're going to curve this further up towards the corner of our page, pulling that back in. And then again, we're going to curve this line up and through towards the middle. Again, arching this up and back down. Again, moving in, curving this up and through towards the center. And then with our gap right in the middle, we're just going to curve this line up and through towards a point right at the top, closing that off. Let's come down for the neck. So we're going to curve this line down on the left. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Stepping in, adding a small detail line, we're going to curve this through on a diagonal. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the left. Let's close off the shoulders. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to do the same thing on the right. And now from here, we're going to curve this line out towards the side of our page, finishing off the shoulders. Let's add in some markings coming down. So we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming through. And then we're going to flatten that out as we come across. Now let's bring that line up towards the top. Right in the middle, let's draw in another diagonal line at the width of our line on the top. And then again, moving down, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming across. And then we're going to close that off with another diagonal line coming through. Let's move down again, bring our diagonal line across. And then we're just going to bring this line out on a diagonal on both sides to the bottom of our page. And now let's add in some small details. So for the collarbone, we're going to bring this line up and across towards that square. And then we're going to do the same as we pull this out on the side.
And that is it. That's how you draw Sakuna. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.